Hey, third graders, we are going to be practicing a new spelling pattern this week. If we take a look at these words, this word is chase, rain, stay, and lazy. If you were to see a pattern with those words, they all have the long A sound. When we use our sound spelling chart, we're going to use the acorn to help us with that spelling pattern. So chase has long A sound because it ends in a vowel consonant E pattern. Rain has it because of the AI. Stay, AY makes the long A. And the word lazy has a long A sound spelled with an A because its first syllable is an open syllable and it ends with the A. When I talk about open syllable, it's because I'm going to split this word right here because it has two syllables, lazy. Well, it's an open syllable, which makes this a long vowel because the syllable ends in that vowel. In your word study notebook, I would like you to make a chart that looks like this. Have A consonant E, AI, AY, and A. Pause this video here until you have done that. Take a look at the words at the bottom. We have the word paint, played, raisin, shady, flake, train, whale, maybe, grade, tray, and navy. Take these words at the bottom and write them in the column that it belongs. So if I were to take the word paint, I see that it has the AI spelling pattern, so I'm going to put it under the AI. That is what you're going to write in your notebook. Write them all in your notebook. Pause the video. Pause the video and write them in your notebook. Then you can finish this video to see where they line up. So all of these words have the A consonant E. Whale has A, the consonant is L, and then it has an E. This one has an A, D, E, A, K, E. These all have the AI spelling pattern. Paint, AI, train, AI, raisin, AI. These have the AY. AY for tray, AY for maybe, and AY for played. If you look at these words, they are the two syllable words. So we have shady, that's an open syllable, so it's a long vowel, and navy, open syllable, so that's a long vowel. At this time, you will need your My Word Study book. You are going to flip until you get to, oh, did I miss it? There we go. You're going to flip until you get to page 5. And you are going to underline the long A words. So anything with an AE, AI, or AY spelling pattern, you will underline. You are going to practice reading this on your own. First, practice with this top half right here. These are one-syllable words. And then once you've practiced reading those, you can move to the bottom half. These are two-syllable words.